As you can see here, we have this line. Actually, this line, we will add it using an HR tag. So after the paragraph here, we will add an HR tag. And as you can notice, this HR tag, the open tag and the close tag are only one tag. As you can notice also, here I added the backslash, it's a forward slash, I added the forward slash after the tag. But here in P, when we close it, we put it before the tag. Why? Normally we do this with tags which have the open and the close tag in a single tag. The other tag also, which have the same style, is image tag. As you can see, the image tag, open tag, and the close tag are in the same tag. Okay, so as you can see here, if I refresh, this is HR tag, the line that's present also here. Okay, so now we want to add this image. Look here, when I type the image, the autocomplete of Visual Studio Code added these two things inside the tag. So what is this? Okay, there are some tags who have a special attributes. This thing we call it, this single thing we call it attribute, and this other thing we call it also attribute. So attributes consists of name and value. Name and value. For example, image tag has an attribute which is source. In this attribute, you are including the path of the image that you want to add. So here, on the same directory of the project or of the index of the HTML page, I have an image. So just I will type the name of the image and the extension, of course. Now, if I refresh the page, the image is displayed. But what will happen if this page was inside a folder here? I call it image. It's a folder, okay? I just created a folder from here. And I moved this image from the base directory of the project inside this folder. Now, if I refresh the page, there is no images. In order to do this, I need to type the correct path for the page. Now the page located inside this image folder, forward slash the name of the page. And if this folder present inside other folder called, for example, source, so you need also to include it. I hope that this point is clear for you guys. Okay. Now I will keep it in image image folder. It's okay for me. If I refresh the page right now, it will display again. Okay. There are another attribute which is alt. Let's imagine that we published this web page online and the user internet connection is not stable. So if I change it something, if I change it, let's remove it. Let's remove this. So the display of the image, the image will not display, right? So we need to inform the user that there is an image here, but it's not uploaded or downloaded because of the internet connection. So we are typing here a message in case of the image is not loaded, you know. So I will type here something like coffee image. Let's refresh, as you can see. And if I type the correct path, if the internet connection is good, okay, and refresh the page, the image will display again. I hope it's clear, okay?